Hey everybody, welcome back to Mixing Music Analog and mixingmusicanalog.com and here on the YouTube channel. And today we're going to do another demo of another great piece of gear from Z&H Designs. This is the V250, which is the 500 series modules of the big boy, which is the HVC250, which we did a video on I don't know, about a month or so ago. You can check the link in the description box below. The big white 5-band parametric EQ, the nice clean transparent mastering EQ. Well, this is the version of that in the 500 series module. So we're going to listen to it on a raw session here and a couple of different elements, and you can check it out. Now, Z&H Design gave me these for free, so I can do this review for you, and we're going to be giving away this exact pair of the V250s in our mixing contest coming up in one of our mixing hybrid courses that are coming up in the fall of 2024. So make sure you click the link in the description box and check that out, because if you get the course, you're going to have a chance to enter the mixing contest and win a great pair of these V250s, as well as some other gear by Z&H Designs as well. So stay tuned to the channel. So make sure you like, share, subscribe so you can learn all about this information. Before we listen to this, I think on the drum bus here, we're going to take a quick listen to this session here. This session is by the artist James D. Cooler. The name of the song is There's a Feeling. We have featured James D. Cooler's music on this channel many times in the past. Make sure you check out his socials. His links are in the description box. This multi-track session, as well as another song of his called Smile, is part of our Mixing Masterclass Volume 2. If you want to get these multi-tracks and you want to mix a song for yourself, click the link in the description box. You got to go to that description box. Check all of that stuff out. This session is completely unmixed. Nothing's been done to it. I routed it out to the SSL, pull up the faders, did a little bit of panning. There was no EQ, no compression, no nada on this session. Let's listen to a little snippet here of There's a Feeling by James D. Cooler, and you can click the link in the description box and go check out his socials as well as the Mixing Masterclass so you can get a hold of these multi-track files. Here we go. There's a Feeling by James D. Cooler.
Fast another day when I'll be late. Friday night, don't hold me back. You know I won't sleep until Sunday. There's a feeling in my soul.
So there is James D. Cooler. There's a Feeling. Again, click the link in the description box below. Okay, so right now, I have these pair of V250s patched into this drum bus here, which we're going to listen to. Again, there's nothing else been done to the drums at all. It's just raw drums, faders thrown up. Let's go over to the V250s and see what we can do. Now, again, these are more of a clean, transparent kind of sound. So if you're looking for something that's very clean, not a lot of color, these are something to check out. Let's listen to this on a drum bus and see what it sounds like. Here we go.
Something that never turns.
So there it is on a drum bus. So yeah, I've exaggerated the low end quite a bit there just to show you what it can do. So each one of these frequency points could go plus or minus 12 dB. On the low and the high, you just have a bell or a shelf. And in the two mid bands, you have a parametric where you can adjust the Q, the width of the Q. So what makes this different, the V250s as opposed to the HC250, the big boy, as this is a 4 band, where the big boy is a 5 band, but you have overlapping frequencies, so you got everything covered. Also, on the if you take a look at these, just the faceplate of these is that like kind of tricolor. One thing about Z&H Designs, which is really cool, is you can have all the faceplates on all their gear. They make all their parts in-house. They make the faceplates, the knobs, the internals. They do everything in-house. So they can do custom paint jobs, customize the colors of things to match your studio's decor, which is really cool. I've never seen a pro audio company make different colored faceplates and different colored knobs and all of that. So that's something to keep in mind. And you can check their link in the description box. But on a drum bus, what does it sound like in the room? It's very clean, very transparent. I've over-exaggerated some of this so you can really hear what it does. But what I like about these, because I have a lot of colored EQs. I mean, all the other EQs that I have in my rack all have a flavor, a style. They're not very transparent. These are very transparent, which is what I really like about them. It's when you need something transparent, these things could be really cool. So that's on a drum bus. So give me a second. Let me patch one of these into, let's say, let's try an acoustic guitar here. So actually, I think I have a pair of acoustics. We'll patch it into an acoustic guitar bus, and we'll see what it sounds like on acoustics. Be back in a second. We're back. So now I have a pair of acoustics here going one hard left, pan hard left, pan hard right, coming down to an acoustic bus here in the middle. And let's just see what they sound like. So we're going to use both sides again because we have a left and a right and a left and a right here. And let's just see what the V250 sounds like on a pair of acoustics. Strummed acoustics in the chorus. Here we go. So there you go, acoustic guitar. Let me know what you think in the description box below. Again, very clean, very transparent, can get very bright on top. You can see I'm boosting the top quite a bit and it doesn't really get brittle. It brightens up really, really nice. The low ends, like the 120, 150 range doesn't get too boomy, which is kind of cool. Sounds good. Sounds good. Again, if you want clean and transparent, this is a great thing to have. We all like color. We all like the vibey stuff. But every now and again, it's just nice to have something that's just clean and just really little goes a long way and just kind of open things up. Sounds really great. So that's acoustic guitar. Okay, why don't we, let's try it on a lead vocal. Let's try it on James's lead vocal. Give me a second. I'll patch it in and we'll give it a listen. Okay, we're back. So now we have it patched into James's lead vocal here, and we're just using the module to the left. So you'll see when I'm going over there, we're just using it in mono. Nothing on James's voice at all, just a touch of reverb. Again, what every singer loves to have. They love to have their vocals soloed, completely unmixed and unedited up on YouTube. But James is such a great singer. He doesn't mind at all. Thank you so much, James, for allowing us to do this. So let's listen to the V250, because again, it's a transparent EQ where we just want to open up James's voice a little bit. Let's just see what it does. Here we go. So here is his soloed vocal. Again, nothing else on it. Keep your eye on the power button and let's go.
Shades of my face, the stars and me and my old strat rolling down the south. I feel something that never turns me back. There's a feeling in my soul. Ain't no brakes, just drive alone. It's been days that were so fast. I wish that I could get them back. But I believe in wonders until my days are gone. Light fades off my face, the stars and me and my old strat rolling down the south. I feel something that never turns me back. There's a feeling in my soul. Ain't no brakes, just drive alone. It's been days that were so fast. I wish that I could get them back. But I believe in wonders until my days are gone. Light fades off my face, the stars and me and my old strat rolling down the south. I feel something that never turns me back. There's a feeling in my soul. Ain't no brakes, just drive alone. It's been days that were so fast. I wish that I could get them back. But I believe in wonders until my days are gone.
So there it is on a lead vocal. Again, sounds really, in the room, it sounds really good. It's nice and open. There's no color. It's very transparent. So I think these are really cool. Again, I enjoy having the big HVC 250, which again is the big rack unit of this, because again, it's not something I have. I don't have anything that's really kind of clean and transparent. Everything has a little bit of vibe, a little bit of color, whether it's Neve API, Trident, SSL EQs, they all have a different flavor and a different color to them. These EQs by Z&H are the exact opposite of color. And that's cool. So let me know what you think in the comments below. There are three different elements here. Again, if you want to see more videos around the V250s, let me know in the comments below. Again, and if you want to win a pair of these, because we're going to give them away sometime in the fall of 2024, depending on when you're watching this video. If you're watching it in the future, you would have missed the mixing contest. But if you're watching this before that, because this is going to be released sometime in the beginning of August, so a couple months before the mixing contest is even available, make sure you click the link in the description box and make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you know when this stuff is going to be happening, because we're going to give a pair of these away to some lucky viewer, as well as the V560, which is their API pair of EQs, which we did in another video. Click the link in the description box and go check that out. So once again, thank you so much to Z&H Designs for sending a pair of these things and for allowing me to give them away to prizes to you guys. I really do appreciate it. Let me know in the comments below when you go check out their website, what do you think? Also, thank you to James D. Cooler for allowing us to use his session here. There's a feeling. Again, you can check all the links in the description box below to find out all the great information that we have. And until the next video, I've been Dave with Mixing Music Analog and mixingmusicanalog.com. Thank you so much for watching me, everybody. I'll see you guys in the next video.